Yes. African business. My colleague from Southwest, you are welcome. Other traditional rulers from Southeast, you are highly welcome. My second traditional rulers, I'm here in a dual capacity. I'm here to represent the traditional rulers from the South. Has made me proud. Thank you. Of that, they have kept Nigeria to be one, and it has extended to the Ghana in a dual capacity. I'm here to represent the traditional rulers from the South. I'm here on my own because on behalf of Reverend Tony Merida, please, we need the attention. On behalf of people. These are our national sons and daughters who have been qualified for education today. Because Orlando want to confess once in a year anniversary. It's called Olojo Festival, and it's just coming out today, and that's why I'm here. But again, he wants me to extend wonderful prayers to read. But one the number. Igbo community. Mabagawan na step on the protocol na hono. One of my one demo. And he member no progressive Ghana. Yes, so one LNG. African International Business Association,